How to share screen on Instagram video call. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you'll learn how you can share your screen during your video call. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram application from your device and get logged into your Instagram account. Now let's go ahead and open up the chat. Tap on Messenger icon on your top right and tap onto any chat that you would like to share your screen with. Now here tap on video call icon that is displayed on top right corner, and once a person at the other end accepts your video call request, you will see a page like this. In here, simply swipe up your screen, then tap on share screen on your bottom right. As you do so, you will share everything that has been displayed in your screen to their screen. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.